Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. The next topic is about cost. In cost, we have two kind of cost. One is short running and one is long running. Short and long. In running, we have two kinds of cost. One is fixed cost and one is variable cost. But in long run, we have only variable cost. For finding the short run, so the total cost will be equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. But for long run, so the total cost will be equal to variable cost only, because in the long run we don't have any fixed cost. So now, how do we find the average cost? So the average cost average total cost is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. This is for short run, and for long run the average total cost average cost is equal to average variable cost. So how can we find the total cost? How can we find the average cost from the total cost? So it's simple. The total cost will be divided with Q. And in this we also have the total cost divided by Q and variable cost divided by Q. We will get average cost. Now, how can we find the marginal cost? So marginal cost is equal to find marginal cost, we know that the change in total cost divided by change in quantity. So here, to find marginal cost, we can write a formula. Marginal cost is equal to change in total fixed cost divided by change in quantity plus change in variable cost, this is change, divided by change in quantity. But for here it's very simple. Marginal cost is equal to change in total cost divided by change in quantity. So now we will solve some problem for it. Let's say we have quantity and we have total fixed cost, we have total variable cost, and we have total cost. Total cost, we mean that the total fixed cost plus total variable cost, we will get the total cost. After that we will have average fixed cost and we have average variable cost and average total cost, and the last thing is marginal cost. Let's say we have zero quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So here when we have the total cost, let's say 24, now we can easily find the fixed cost and variable cost. As we know that when the quantity is 0, there is no variable cost, so the total cost will be equal to only fixed cost, because when the quantity is 0, the variable cost is 0. So here the variable cost is 0 and the fixed cost is equal to total cost. So here we will write 24 fixed cost. So the fixed cost for the whole column will be fixed because it is not changing. 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24 and 24. These are the fixed costs. Now one step move and we will find, let's say here we have 52. If we have 52 and the fixed cost is 24, how do we find the variable cost? From the formula, the total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. To find the variable cost, we will shift the fixed cost to this side. So this will be minus. So total cost is, let's say we have the total cost is 52 and the fixed cost is 24, but when we shift to the another side, we will get minus 24. So this is minus 24. So we will get from 52, we subtract 24, we will get 28. So this is the variable cost. Now we will have the total cost, let's say 78. We have 99, 120, 150, 192. We have 238 and the last is 288. Now we will subtract the 24 from the total cost. So this is 78 and we will subtract 24 from 78, we will get 54. We will get 75. We will get 96. We will get 120, 126. We have 168, 214 and the last one is 264. Now we will find the average fixed cost. So the formula of average fixed cost is equal to fixed cost divided by quantity. So the fixed cost is 24 and the quantity is 0. For this the first line we cannot find the average fixed cost. Here we cannot find it, here we cannot find it, but here we also cannot find it. Now for the second step we can find it because we have some quantity. So the So the fixed cost we have 24. The 24 will be divided by 1 because the quantity is 1. Here in the formula, to find the average fixed cost, we will have a fixed cost divided by quantity. So here the fixed cost is 24 and the quantity is 1. So 24 divided by 1, we will get 24. Here we have 24 divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2, we will get 12. So we will have 8, we will have 6, we will have 4.8, we will have 4, we will have 3.4, we will have 3. These are the average fixed costs. Now average variable cost. For this step we have 28. 28 divided by quantity is 1. 28 divided by 1, we will get 28. Here we have 54. 54 divided by 2, we will get 27. And we will get 25. We will get 24. We will get 25.2, we will get 28, we will get 30.6, we will get 33. And average total cost, so we will have total cost divided by quantity. For the first step we cannot find, but for the second, 52 divided by 1, we will get 52. This is 52. 78 divided by 2, we will get 39. And next we will get 33. We will get 30. We will get 32. We will get 34. And the last we will get 36. I am missing. Here we have 30. We have 32. And we have 34, and the last we have 36. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the change. So here we have some change. The total cost, here the change is available here, and here we also have some change. The change between 0 and 1, the change is 1, and we have the change from 24 to 52, the change is 28. And here these all are different by 1, and here the change is different. Here we have 26 difference. So we will get 26, we will get 21, again we will get 21, we will get 30, and we will get 42 and 46 and 50. So here when the average cost is equal to total cost, so this is our maximum point. So these are the cost for long as well as short. For long we will mention only variable cost, but for short we will mention the fixed cost as well as variable cost.